Hey there, Money Masters. If you're a Bank of America customer looking to send or receive money quickly and securely, Zelle is your new best friend. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about using Zelle with your Bank of America account. Zelle is a popular digital payment network that lets you transfer funds almost instantly to friends, family, or anyone with a U.S. bank account, and it's seamlessly integrated into the Bank of America app. First off, make sure you have a Bank of America checking or savings account set up in the mobile app downloaded from your App Store. Once you're logged in, head over to the Transfers or Move Money section. That's where you'll find Zelle. If it's your first time, you'll need to enroll. This is straightforward. Just tap on Zelle, agree to the terms, and verify your identity using your email address or phone number. Bank of America will send a quick confirmation to ensure everything's secure. Now, let's get to the fun part, sending money. Search for a recipient by entering their email or U.S. mobile number. If they're enrolled in Zelle, the transfer will go through in minutes. Select the amount you want to send, add a memo if you'd like, and review the details before hitting confirm. Remember, Zelle is linked directly to your Bank of America account, so the money comes straight from your balance. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Always double-check the recipient's info to avoid mistakes, as transfers are typically irreversible. Bank of America doesn't charge fees for Zelle transactions, but be aware that limits might apply based on your account type, usually up to $500 per day for new users. For receiving money, it's just as easy. Funds will appear in your account almost immediately. Using Zelle is not only convenient but also secure, with built-in protections like fraud monitoring. If you run into any issues, Bank of America's customer support is there to help. There you have it. You're all set to start using Zelle with Bank of America. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay savvy out there.